Hello guys, what's up? So welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday and nakakaisang upload pa lang tayo guys for this January 2026. And alam nyo na kasi syempre guys, may work tayo. So busy masyado guys. Pero may chance ulit tayo guys para makapunta sa Moso. And just to give you an update guys, so maraming mga exciting na lalabas na sapatos ngayong January pa lang. So may mga lumabas na ng mga bagong sapatos gaya nung yung Jordan 4 Flight Club. So kaka-release lang yan today. Labas na din yung bago ng J1 Low OG na medium olive sa end of January yata yun guys. And what else? Lumabas din na pala yung Kobe 1. So ayun, check niyo yan guys. So ayun, tara, check na tayo. Punta na tayo sa mall guys. Check natin kung ano makikita natin. So let's go. Uy, may naka-sale. So guys, I'm not sure kung naririnig nyo ako kasi malakas yung background music dito sa loob ng store. Lakas ng background music. 7,295. Ito yung yellow. It's not the way I feel. I made a mistake, now it's too late. She ain't gonna do what I gotta do. Lakas ng background music. Ito guys, naka-sale. 3,647 na lang. 3,600 na lang guys. Pero ito guys, 7,295. Hindi siya naka-sale. Jordan 4, yan, 11,499. Jordan 5. Uy, naka 50% off. 5,997. 7,295. 7,295. 5,795. So 9,095. Lakas ng background music. 6,295. Ito yung bagong Kobe guys. 10,295. So Ja 3 guys, 6,895. Ito guys, 6,895. 6,895. Ito guys, 10,895. GT Future. 11,495. Sabrina, 7,595. $10,895 guys. Lakas ng background music. Ito guys, naka 50% off. 4,990 na lang. 4,990. Ito guys, 50% off din. 4,990. 4,990 na lang. Ito guys, 4,990 din. Halos 50% off na siya guys. So, 4,990 din. Ito guys, 10,2. Meron silang rejuvenate guys, so 3,895. Uy, ang ganda nito 3,295 guys. Size 8. Mga Air Max guys, 50% off. 50% off guys 4,695. 4,695. Ito din guys, 4,697 naman. Dami naka 50% off. Ito guys, Cortez 2,990. Dami naka 50% off. Ito 4,990 din. 4,990 guys. Itong Kobe, hindi pa nag 50% off, 6,995. 6,995 yung Kobe guys. Ito 8,595. Yung ganito guys, Go Shot 6,095. So guys, 2,990, 50% off din. So guys, 50% off din, 3,797. So guys, galing na tayo sa loob ng Nike store and ang daming nakasale guys. Almost 50% off yung mga nakasale doon. So, ayun, check nyo na yung Nike store dito yung sa Glorieta guys. So, that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.